I know how frustrating it can be when no one watches your video or subscribes to your channel. You just started your YouTube channel, so no one knows who you are or what kind of videos you make yet. You spend so much time planning, writing scripts, shooting and editing the videos, and you're all excited about it. You put something on YouTube, but not many people watch it. I remember when I had no views and no subscribers. I would post a video, wait, and hit refresh a few times, hoping to get a few more views. I know what it's like to start from scratch. Also, I want to mention, if you have just started your own YouTube channel and you continue because you like what I post, leave a comment and let me know. I might watch your videos on YouTube, give a like and a suggestion sometimes. So how do you grow if you don't have any views or subscribers? I am going to tell you my 5 secrets. Don't leave until the very end for a better understanding. What are the 5 things I would do if I had to start over with no views and no subscribers? I'm going to tell you a secret that will make your number of subscribers and views increase, and this is how I do on my every new channel. Secret number 1. The first secret about YouTube is interesting titles. Right, use titles that are interesting. You shouldn't be boring. You could have a bad accent, a robotic voice, like me, but it is more important to have nice titles. If you are a YouTuber, having boring titles is one of the worst things you could do. Yes, I know that there are YouTubers there with boring titles, who still have millions and millions of subscribers. But if you're Mr. Beast, this is another story. He breaks every rule of our understanding. His titles are not always the most interesting, but he still has a huge number of fans. But if you're starting out with 0 views and 0 subscribers, you should give your videos titles that make people want to watch them. They do not yet know you. Let me give you some tried and true headlines or ideas for titles. First of all, how to. How to is always a very powerful title because people go to YouTube to find out how to do something. The title how to is very powerful. So it tells them how they might learn to do something they want and also makes a promise. So there are a lot of how-to videos on YouTube. Second, it could be something like what I've done and why. How I retired at age 25, let's say, that's yet another example. The book Secrets of is also a good example of good title. Another example is a headline that sounds like a warning. Don't start a business until you watch this. Or don't start your YouTube channel until you watch this. It's kind of like a warning. Don't do that until you watch this video. You see how it's mostly driven by curiosity. Or, here's one more example. A headline or title that is based on what the story is about. For example, the animals that are the most dangerous in the world. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can see that has a very specific, very clear payoff. When your viewers click on that video, they know exactly what they'll get before they even click on it. When your channel is small, when you have no views and no subscribers, and call your video, "This is my trip to Africa, no one will watch it. Nobody gives a second of his time. Because no one knows who you are yet. And once you have millions of followers and subscribers, your fans will want to know, hey, what's going on? I want to know about you and everything you do and say. They will be interested in every kind of videos. But at first, it's much harder to get people interested if you're not well known. So why not write about something that people are already looking for? Using words like how to, beware of, and secrets of. Right? Did I make a click ? Those titles have been used before. You'll grow much faster that way. Secret number 2. Hook them with a trailer on your YouTube channel. You can show them some of the best parts of the videos you have, so that they see what they get. So, a person who is visiting your channel for the first time goes to the homepage. They could click on it to learn more about your channel. Robert Cialdini wrote a book called Influence. The Psychology of Influence. He talks about why you need to tell people why they should do something. People need to know why they need to do it and have a reason for doing it. It's not enough to tell people that your content or videos are great and that they should subscribe. It doesn't cut it. So tell them in your trailer who you are, what your channel is about, how often you post, where they should subscribe, and what you want them to do. Now, would it help if I gave you a script idea for your trailer? Leave a comment and I will give you a link with my video on how to make the best scripts and the newest AI text-to-speech methods to use. So, let me give you now an example. This is something you could say. Hey, my name is Daniel. I'm a business owner, a blogger, and a travel lover, among other things. When you sign up for my channel, you tell people you'll get X, Y, and Z. Why should we sign up? What are the benefits? You have to tell them more about this. And tell them that every week you upload 1 video, 2 videos, or a video for them every Monday and Thursday. Tell them how often you'll be uploading so they know what to look for. And don't forget to tell people what you want them to do. Don't just assume they'll subscribe because you have good content. No, you have to tell them. Tell them, hey, click the little button here to subscribe, or click the button there to subscribe to my YouTube channel today. And don't forget to ring the bell. Make sure the alerts are turned on. They need to be told what to do. You got it? Secret number 3. The third secret is that you should love your fans, not your content. Many YouTubers make one of the biggest mistakes when they make videos that they want to make instead of videos that their fans want. You see, it's easy to forget that there's a person watching you from behind this. You look at the thumbs up, the numbers, the views, and the subscribers, and think that it's just a number. I'm here to tell you that it's not just a number. There's a person behind this. There's a person with thoughts, feelings, and problems. Always remember that. Don't ever treat your fan like a digit. That changes everything. So you should care about your followers. As a creator or YouTuber, you could also add a heart to the comments your fans leave, to let them know, and when you do that, your fan who left a comment will get a message that you gave them a heart. I think YouTubers won't last long if they think they're too big and too popular and can't connect with their fans anymore. Fourth YouTube secret. Include a call to action in your video. What does the acronym CTA mean? CTA tells you what to do. You have to tell your audience exactly what you want them to do in a call to action. Do you want them to share your video, give you a thumbs up, or leave a comment below your video? You have to tell them what to do step by step. Never ever assume. You see, one of the things I did was tell my viewers, which is you, to click on the button below and subscribe to my channel. When I did that, the number of people who subscribed to my channel went up by a lot. At first, I thought, hey, if you like what I write, why wouldn't you subscribe? That's not what people do. There are a lot of ways to do this. There are a lot of different ways to put in a call to action. You can do it before, during, and after, for example. So, at the beginning of your video, you could say something like, hey, if this is your first time watching my video or visiting my channel, please hit the subscribe button. You might be able to do something similar. During your video, you could say, hey, if you want me to teach you more about this, share more about this experience, or make more videos like this, comment below and don't forget to subscribe. You can also do it at the end, but don't do it more than 3 or 4 times. That would be too much. But you could say something like, hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, at the end of your video. Make sure you click the bell and the subscribe button below. And make sure they turn on notifications. It's very important that you tell them to do this. It means that every time you post a video, there is a chance that they will see it on their homepage. So then it's more likely that they will click on your video. So, make a call. Secret number 5. Long-term consistency is better than short-term intensity. Most YouTubers give up too soon, in my opinion. They upload a few videos or a dozen videos, and then give up because they think, no one is watching my video, I'm not getting enough views, and no one is commenting. Why bother? So much time went into making these videos. I get how you're feeling. I know how frustrating it is when you upload a video and spend a lot of time making it the best it can be, but no one watches it. You have to keep doing it, though. You have to keep in mind that this is a long game. Think of it like pushing a snowball uphill, right? At first, it's really heavy. You keep pushing and pushing, but once you reach that tipping point, once you get over the mountain, the hump, you can't push any harder. Everything moves so much more quickly. This effect is like a snowball. I can still remember how many views it took me months to get before, but now I can do it in hours. Because things keep getting worse and worse. I promise that your channel will grow faster if you upload twice a week instead of once. Your channel will grow even faster if you upload 3 times a week instead of twice. My channel took off as soon as I decided to post every day. Now, I'm not saying you have to post a video every day, but that works. That consistency over time is much more important than that short-term intensity. Think of it as a long-term game and do it for the long haul. You're building an asset by putting money into something. You're making a place to stand. It is worth it for sure. So, those are the 5 secrets to growing from 0 views and 0 subscribers if you want to be a content creator. If you want instead to be a copywriter, for example, let me give you some idea of copywriting. Click in the corner on my video to see what does really copywriter means and copywriting benefits, or I might put the link in the description so you will watch it later. You can join me from the comfort of your own home. I'll tell you a lot more secrets, like how to grow your channel, how to make money from your YouTube channel, and how to make a living as a YouTuber full-time. Connect with me to know first when I post other new videos.